Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete screenshots from your iPhone automatically. This will be done by using the Shortcuts app, but first let me demonstrate to you how to find screenshots. Therefore I open the Photos app and I got some screenshots here, and if we go down, we get the media types and the screenshots, and this is a collection just of the screenshots. Screenshots are usually necessary for a short period of time, so after a certain time they aren't necessary anymore and can be deleted to free storage on your device. Let's head over to the Shortcuts app and create a new shortcut. I'll show you how to delete screenshots which are older than a week, and therefore I'm going to create a date before a week. Let's look up an action which is called adjust date. Let's take this, and I want to subtract 1 week to, and here I make a long tab and select the current date. Next, I want to find all screenshots, and therefore I look up a action which is called find photos. Let's select this one, and I have to delete the adjusted date which was assigned automatically. Therefore I select the variable and tap clean. Now it goes through all photos and I can add several filters. The first will be the kind, which should be a screenshot, and the second filter will be the time when this was taken, and I actually meant the date. Is before, and now I have to assign the adjusted date. Therefore I have to do a long tab and select the adjusted date which we created previously. Third, I need an action to delete the selected photos. Let's look up the appropriate action and select this one. Let's test this shortcut, and when it runs, it shows the 2 screenshots I showed you previously. I'm not going to delete them as of now. Don't delete, tap done, because I want to show you how to automate this shortcut. Therefore, I have to switch to the automations tab and create a new automation. And I want to run it on a daily basis, let's say at 7 a.m. On a daily basis, I want to run it immediately. Tap next, and here I can select the delete photos shortcut, which we created. Now Shortcuts runs every day at 7 a.m. the delete photos shortcut and deletes the screenshots which are older than a week. Thanks for watching.